If patients visit your clinic's website but never book an appointment, it usually comes down to a few fixable things. Patients judge your clinic by your website before they ever walk in. If it looks dated or confusing, they quietly wonder whether the care will feel the same. And they keep searching. Today's patients want to book the way they order everything else, online, in seconds. If your site only lists a phone number and office hours, you're handing every after-hours patient to someone else. And most of them are searching on a phone, often between work and family. A slow site that's hard to read and tap sends them straight back to the results and to the clinic listed right under you. Webmaster and More builds fast, custom websites for clinics with online booking patients actually use, designed to earn trust and fill your schedule. Book a free website teardown today